Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. See, this channel, what I do is I teach people how to make money online, valuable content. I help you to solve problems. See, my life and a problem I always solve. If you get any problem we concern making money, or I look for solutions to problem. When I don't find that solution, I'll come show everybody. The least you can do is to make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Support me, put comment back to back so that I'll keep making you guys valuable content, right? I want to hit 100,000 subscribers. The dream is not too much. Una we carry me reach 10k, una we carry me reach 100k. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Let us go. So today's video is going to be a very interesting one. See, there was a time I posted a video, was it a few days ago? I was talking about how you can make payments in Nigeria, and I talked about a bank that I saw a video on TikTok. A guy was explaining one bank. Make I mention the name of the bank, Providence Bank, that the bank can give you dollar card that you can use to do transaction of up to $1,000 to $5,000 every month. Abi, I take note of that thing. I tell you, I post the video. A lot of people were commenting and they were appreciative. They were like, thank you for sharing this video. I say, nice one. So it be like, say, people still get this problem. Make I find other method, my brother. I don't see ways you can use to pay for your transaction online. I'll be showing you 3 platforms that can help you pay. Some of them are mobile apps, some of them are websites. These ones you can use it to create virtual card and pay. The exchange rate might not be in your favor, but it will help you pay. So if you're looking for a video that will show you a platform that can help you create dollar card or give you opportunity to make your online payment, you want to do your online payment and you're having issues because of the CBN bank limitation, this video is going to solve that problem. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, leave a comment, share the video, help my algorithm, make YouTube rank and make other people see them. And the way you can do this is by liking the video and leaving a comment, while me I head over to my computer screen and my phone screen to teach you everything step by step. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf on my computer screen. Let's go there. Alright guys, so welcome to my computer screen. This is where the miracle happens. Now for those of you that are watching my channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, very important, and turn my bell post notification on. Now this is the video that I made. I said this new bank supports international virtual payment. It was like 6 days ago, and I've gotten a lot of comments on this video thanking me, and also because of that I went on to do more research to give you guys solution. I don't want to go too far, but before I go into start showing you guys the platforms, one thing you guys need to take notice that I do my recording on my computer screen. Some of these things are mobile app. You need to go and download them on Google Play Store, and you need to begin to use them, but these apps are working 100%. If you guys still want me to actually do the mobile version, which I don't mind doing because of you guys, but I prefer video version, you can leave a comment, do the mobile version, then I can go on to do the mobile version for you guys, right? There are 3 platforms I already plan to talk about today, but before then, this is going to be a bonus. So let me start with the bonus. Now, one thing that you can also do to solve this problem once and for all is for you to create a domiciliary account. For those of you that don't know a domiciliary account, or what a domiciliary account is basically a dollar account. Now when you create your account in the bank, most of us create Naira accounts where we can save and I can do a transaction in Naira. Then you also have the option of creating a domiciliary account, and the funny thing is that to create a domiciliary account you don't need to use any money. The only bank that will charge you money, that like you need to put an initial deposit to create a domiciliary account, is Zenith Bank, and I think they charge $1,000, but every other bank don't charge. I created a Sterling Bank domiciliary account. I'm not advertising them, but I've been enjoying it so far. I have my money in dollars in my domiciliary account, and I created it with no money. All I needed to do was to just give my normal information details and provide 2 people with current accounts. That's the only thing you need. So you just need 2 people that uses current account, not necessarily in that bank, it can be any other bank, and immediately they'll create your domiciliary account. Then you can request for a dollar card, you can request for a US dollar card, then you can begin to use that dollar card to do your transaction. No cap limit. If you still want a bank that you don't want to create domiciliary accounts with, that supports you doing transaction, like I said earlier, I said Providence Bank does it. $1,000 to $5,000, you can use Providence Bank. Now straight to this video. I'm sorry guys for spending time doing a lot of talking. Is just because I want to clarify some things. That is because this video I will be focusing on virtual card and digital platform. That is why I quickly took my time to address the banking platforms, right? The first one is a very popular new online digital bank, and this particular bank, they do aggressive advertisement. I've gone to check their platform and it actually works. The first one is called Cheaper Cash. So if you can go on Google and search for Cheaper Cash virtual card, this platform is the
platform. Just open this platform. When you click here, you're going to see cheaper card built for your digital life. The way the platform works, it only works majorly on apps, so you can see the App Store and the Google Play Store. Even when you come to their desktop, you need to go and download their app. So if you come here, just click on download. If you click on download, it's going to show you App Store, Google Play. If you are using Android device, you can download App Store. If you are using Apple device, you can download Google Play, right? That one works perfectly. And the beautiful thing about cheaper app is that they have a lot of good reviews. Once you create the account, you can create Visa card Visa card virtual card. So if you look at cheaper cash, they allow you to create Visa card virtual card to make all your foreign payments, right? Now if you scroll down, you see that they have amazing reviews. They said the motive behind the app is to solve a pressing problem as regards the ease of provision of dollar virtual card. Basically, if it is to make payment, it works 100%. The only issue might be the rate they charge. I think they charge as high as the black market rate. But if it is about solving the problem of payment, then that is done. Look at this person. He said the experience is satisfying, the UI is friendly, blah 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 blah. So cheaper virtual card can make your payment. Just go on Google Play Store or Apple. If you are using the Android device, download this app. It works. If it works, which I'm very sure it does, leave a comment, right? This one works. The second platform that also will help you with your payment, but that one has a lot of negative reviews. So far, the best I've seen is cheaper cash, cheaper virtual card. The second one is Payday. Now Payday is also an online digital banking. They said Payday is to send and receive money globally. You can create virtual card with Payday. For those of you that don't know what Payday is almost similar to cheaper virtual card. You can use it to create money, and they also you have to go and download the app on Google Play Store or iOS if you are using Android device. This is their official website. You can see they said it's a global new bank for African remote workers and freelancers. You can open US dollar, Euros bank account, Great Britain pounds account for free and spend with the Payday MasterCard. So basically, when you create account with Payday, you can create virtual card and create international bank accounts. And all you need to do is to go on Google Play Store if you are using Android device to download the app. The only thing I don't like with the app, does it solve the problem? Yes, but the reviews are not good. Like I can see some kind of negative reviews. If you look at cheaper virtual card, you can see that in cheaper virtual card you have something like 3.2. Cheaper virtual card, the reviews are 4 point something over 5. Look at it, 4.3 over 5, with a lot of people giving it 5-star rating. But you see Payday, you are getting 3.2. However, I've seen a lot of people saying that the platform works, but their charges are too expensive. Look at this review. Okay, look at this review. It said using this US dollar virtual account to receive funds attract a charge of 0.5% of the amount you receive. It won't exceed about $25 no matter the amount you receive. But this particular card, you can use it to make payment. You can create virtual card to make payment. Payday works. The third but not the least, this particular one also works perfectly, but it comes with some limitation, and I use it, right? It is Payoneer. So all you need to do is to just come in and sign into your Payoneer account. I already have a Payoneer account. Maybe if you want me to create a video now, you can set up a Payoneer account step by step. Let me know. I can create a video on that. I've done that kind of video in the past. I can do it again. Now you can set up a Payoneer account. There you can have like 3 international bank accounts, and you can actually get access to create an international bank card. So this is me in my Payoneer account. If I open my Payoneer account, my Payoneer home, you're going to see that I even have some money. Like I have like $44 as my balance in my US dollar Payoneer account, right? If you come to look at in your Payoneer account, if you come to bank and cards, you click here, you will see that you can actually get Payoneer card. Now this card is the baba of all of them. It's just that there's what they call it, there is a condition for you to get this card. But the time I got my Payoneer card, it wasn't like this then. When I got my Payoneer card, all you needed to do was to just pay $25 and they will give you the Payoneer card. They will bill it to you in Nigeria and you start using it, and it's valid for like up to 4 years, right, before you renew. But however, now they've changed a little things. I don't know whether this is particularly for Nigerians, but you can still get the Pioneer card. There's a condition that not everybody can meet, but people that have money, people that really need this card to do their online transaction can actually meet this condition. I'm going to show you the condition on my computer screen. Right, so the Pioneer condition is that, look at it, you have chance to create a Pioneer card, but the thing is you'll be able to order a Pioneer card once you receive payment of at least $2,000. And for you to receive payment of $2,000, all you need is somebody that has $2,000 in their Pioneer account to transfer it to you, and you pay them cash. As simple as ABC. So if you are the kind of person you're always doing online transaction, and you have been frustrated by Nigeria banks, you want to solve this problem once and for all you need to do is to just get somebody to transfer you $2,000. If I have $2,000 in my Pioneer account, I transfer it to you, and the next thing you request for your Pioneer card, and the $2,000 is equivalent to like 1M, maybe 1 point, with the current exchange rate, maybe like 1.4 million naira, something like that. But I don't think it is up to that. So if you can actually solve this clause, then you can just go to the learn more. You can request for a Pioneer card, and the Pioneer card will be delivered to you in Nigeria. And once you have this card in Nigeria, you will never have issues. You will never have issues of trying to make foreign transaction and stuff like that. You will never have issues. So every information concerning the Pioneer card, how to get the card, is here. What is the Pioneer card? How do I know if I'm eligible to order a Pioneer card? How do I order a Pioneer card? How do I get the shipping? All the old stuff. The card is totally free. The only thing you pay is your shipping fee, and I think they charge like $20 or $25 thereabout, and you can use it to do transaction, right? So that is basically the point of this video. And I think these 3 platforms will be able to help you solve your problem. I've mentioned up to 5. I talked about you creating a domiciliary account. I talked about going to Providus Bank to create an account. You can create a basic Naira account, and you get an ATM card that will allow you tell them you want a MasterCard that will allow you do online transaction. They will give you the one of $1,000 cap. You can go on to create a cheaper account. Just download their app. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to create a cheaper cash account. And for me to do an online video, still let me know. You can go on to get Payday. Payday also has its own limitation, however it works. Then finally, Payoneer too. I've told you the terms and conditions involved in Payoneer, but the truth is I'm trying to find ways to solve this problem for everybody here. If I see better platforms too that do not take this kind of stress and everything, I'll also do well to let you guys know. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, leave a comment so that when I get more updates I would update you guys. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.